Okay, good afternoon friends. Welcome to SYBSc as I am going to teach paper 1 semester 3. So due to the outbreak of coronavirus, online teaching has been given emphasis. So first of all, we will learn some basics of organic chemistry. Now what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compounds. What are the carbon compounds? Alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, esters, amides. Okay. Now first of all we will see the valency of carbon, valency of oxygen, valency of nitrogen and valency of halogen, where halogens are chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Because in organic chemistry most students don't know what is the valency of these atoms, because as these atoms we are using in writing the structure of the organic compounds. Now the valency of carbon atom is 4. The valency of oxygen is 2. The valency of nitrogen is 3 and the valency of halogens is 1. Also valency of hydrogen is 1. आता वॅलेन्सी म्हणजे काय? बऱ्याच जणांना प्रश्न पडतो वॅलेन्सी म्हणजे काय. तर इनऑर्गॅनिक डेफिनेशन त्या वेगळ्या टर्म्स आहेत. इथं एकदम सोप्या भाषेत तुम्हाला सांगतो. वॅलेन्सी म्हणजे कार्बनला ची वॅलेन्सी 4 आहे, म्हणजे कार्बनला आपण कमीत कमी 4 बॉन्ड दाखवायचे आपल्याला. कार्बनला कमीत कमी 4 बॉन्ड दाखवायचे. ओके, सो 1 2 3 अँड 4. नाउ व्हॉट इज द वॅलेन्सी ऑफ ऑक्सिजन? 2, म्हणजे ते कार्बनला मी 2 बॉन्ड दाखवले. Valency of nitrogen is 3, so I am going to show 3 bonds. Valency of halogen is 1 and valency of hydrogen is 1. Now suppose I am writing ethyl alcohol. I have maintained this valency here. Valency of carbon here is 4, here is 2, sorry here is 4 and here valency of oxygen is 2 and valency of hydrogen 1. ठीक आहे. आता मी हळूहळू तुम्हाला सिस्टमॅटिक दाखवणार आहे. तर पहिले ह्या वॅलेन्सी गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवा. वॅलेन्सी ऑफ कार्बन 4, वॅलेन्सी ऑफ ऑक्सिजन 2, वॅलेन्सी ऑफ नायट्रोजन 3, वॅलेन्सी ऑफ हॅलोजन 1 and वॅलेन्सी ऑफ हायड्रोजन 1. ओके, नाउ first of all we will see what is alkanes. okay, alkanes मधील जे प्रिफिक्सेस आहेत हे म्हणजे केमिस्ट्रीची बाराखडी आहे. ओके, हे जर तुमच्या लक्षात राहिलं तर पूर्ण ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री तुम्हाला येऊन जाईल. तर एक कार्बन म्हणजे मिथेन, 2 कार्बन म्हणजे C3 4 C5 6, 2 कार्बन म्हणजे इथेन, 3 कार्बन म्हणजे प्रोपेन, 4 कार्बन म्हणजे ब्युटेन, 5 कार्बन म्हणजे पेंटेन, 6 म्हणजे हेक्सेन, 7 कार्बन म्हणजे 10 आणि मग 9 कार्बन नोनेन आणि 10 डिकेन. एवढं तुम्हाला सफिशियंट आहे. हे लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे. इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. हे जर तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवलं तर सगळी केमिस्ट्री तुम्हाला येऊन जाईल. एक कार्बन म्हणजे काय, 2 कार्बन म्हणजे काय हे लक्षात ठेवा. आता एक कार्बन म्हणजे मिथेन, म्हणून इथे मी एक कार्बन इथे लिहितो. आणि व्हॉट इज द वॅलेन्सी ऑफ कार्बन? 4. So I will 4 hydrogen. So this is methane. Now, two hydrogens. I can write this methane as like this also, CH4. Now we will go for ethane. Two carbons. Two carbons, ethane. Now just complete the valency of carbon. See, we will check valency of carbon. Already here one bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Valency complete. Now this carbon, 1, 2, 3 and this 4. This bond is shared by both the carbons. So valency of carbon is complete and two carbons. So the structure is ethane. I can write this structure like this, CH3, CH3. This CH3 here and this CH3 here. So this is ethane. Now we will go for propane. Propane, 3 carbons. Okay, propanes. 3 carbon, propanes. Okay, 3 carbon. Complete the valency. 1, 2, 3 and 4. प्रत्येक कार्बन प्रत्येक ॲटमची व्हॅलेन्सी कंप्लीट करायची. ठीक आहे. So this is ethane. Valency of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. This carbon now 1, 2, 3, 4 झाली complete. 1, 2, 3, 4 झाली complete. So this is propane. Now I can write the structure like this. First this CH3 I will write CH3, then this CH2, CH2, then this CH3. Okay, so this is propane. So like this you have to complete their structures: pentane, hexane, heptane, nonane, whatever. Okay, now we'll see the functional groups. Now we'll see, हे लक्षात ठेवा, हे लक्षात ठेवा. Functional groups are the groups, it is identity of the compounds. Okay, तर मी डीप जात नाही लगेच. फंक्शनल ग्रुप कसे रिएक्ट होते ते आपण पहिले स्ट्रक्चरचे नाव, IUPAC नेम आपण शिकूया पहिले. IUPAC or IUPAC names, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, and common names. Common names. First of all, we'll see IUPAC names. It is very easy. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll see alcohol. What is alcohol? R, OH. R is alkyl group. Alkyl group means what? CH3, CH3, CH2. Any carbon hydrogen chain means R group. Okay, I will write here alkyl group. Alkyl group. Any carbon hydrogen chain is called alkyl group, and O is the functional group of alcohol. Then acid. This is acid. See, valence of carbon here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then aldehyde. Then esters, and so on. So first of all, focus on alcohol. Then we will go for acid, aldehyde, esteres, keters, amines, amides, epoxides, anhydrides. We will focus on now alcohol. That is ROH. Okay. Now, what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? How many carbon atoms are present here? 2. 2 means ethane in the alkane family. Ethane. 2 carbon means ethane, and the functional group is alcohol. So only this prefix OL we are going to replace in place of E. So this is ethanol. This is ethanol. Next. What is the name of this structure? 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. The name in the alkene family is propane. Propane. 3 carbon म्हणजे काय? Propane. Just replace it by OL. The name of this compound is propanol. Okay. What is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 carbons means pentane. So I will put here valence is all and OH. I will replace this E with OL. So name of the compound is pentanol. Name of the compound is pentanol. Okay. Now same for next functional group, that is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, that is RX, where X is equal to chlorine, bromine, iodine or fluorine. This is alkyl halide functional group. How many carbon atoms here are present? Here 1 carbon. So it is the family of methane. Okay. So name of the compound is chloromethane. Then next, how many carbon atoms are here present? 2 carbons. What is the name in the alkane family? 2 carbon. 2 carbon म्हणजे काय? Ethane. So first we will take this chloro. Like this, if it is replaced by bromo and bromomethane or bromoethane and so on. Now we will go for acid, that is RCOOH. This is the functional group of acid. This is alkyl group. How many carbons here are present in this structure? 2 carbons. There are 2 carbons. So ethane in the alkane family, replace it by OIC. OIC acid, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic हे लक्षात ठेवा. ओइक. Okay. How many carbons here are present? 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon means propane. Propane. Replace E by this terminology, propanoic acid. Okay, propanoic acid. So like this, we will replace the functional group. Now first of all we will see the different functional groups. This is the same groups I have written here. Okay. If hydrogen is attached here, the functional group is aldehyde. If OH is written here, it is acid. Okay, this group is called as carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. Okay, acid, if I have written here chloride, it is acyl chloride, you can write like this, chloride, or acid chloride, acid chloride, because this compound derived from acid, so it is acid chloride. Then here if it is R, it is ketone. Okay, if here it is OR, it is ester. If it is here NH2, it is amide. See difference between, many students are confused between amines and amides. So this is amine, RNH2. This is amine and this is amide, because carbonyl group is present here. Okay, esters, amides, acids, ethers. Okay, and anhydrides. Okay, this will learn afterwards. हे सगळे फंक्शनल ग्रुप तुमच्या लक्षात राहिले पाहिजेत. ठीक आहे, इथं फक्त एक एक चेंज करत गेलं. इकडे H टाकला तर अल्डिहाइड, इकडे OH टाकला तर ॲसिड, इकडे हे टाकलं तर ॲसिड हॅलाइड्स, तिथे X म्हणून आपण वाटलं तर ॲसिड हॅलाइड्स, इकडे R टाकला तर कीटोन, OR टाकलं तर ईस्टर, H टाकला तर अमाइड आणि हा टाकला तर एनहायड्राइड्स. म्हणजे दोन गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवा तुम्हाला, मिथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, क्लोरीन, वॉटेवर, हे आणि हे फंक्शनल ग्रुप तुम्हाला लक्षात पाहिजे. कुठल्याही कंपाऊंडमध्ये पहिलं फंक्शनल ग्रुप बघायचं. ओके, आणि मग त्या कंपाऊंडचं नाव पाहिजे आपण. I am writing some structures here. Just will identify the functional groups. What is the functional group here? Alcohol. Here this is R, alkyl group. No, so this is ketone. This is ketone. This is alcohol. This is amide. This is amide. This is aldehyde. This is ester. This is acid chlorides. Okay. Now we will see now the ketone. We will see what is the name of this structure. Functional group is ketone. Now we have seen alcohol. Now we will go for ketone. How many carbons are present here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 carbon atoms, and functional group is ketone. Functional group is ketone. I will explain detail here. Ketone. How many carbon atoms are here? 3. 3 carbons means propane. Propane. Now we have to replace this E by ONE for ketones. So name of the compound is propanone. Name of this compound is propanone. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 2 propanone. 2 propanone. Okay, what is the name of this compound? Functional group is ketone, because this is R group, this is R group. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms means butane. Okay, and take this ONE. So it is butanone. Or what is the position of carbonyl group in ketone? So we'll count. So shall I count from here? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, because the carbonyl group is coming first from right hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 butanone. 2 butanone. Okay, 2 butanone. Now we'll see for alcohols also like this. Should I count from here? 1, 2, 3, 4? No, the OH group is coming from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 means butane, functional group OH. So OL and 1, 2, 2 butanol. The name of the compound is 2 butanol. Okay. 1 minute.